Hello friends. If your car is showing the P0261 error code, you might be experiencing rough idling, engine misfire, or poor acceleration. This code is linked to the fuel injector circuit low voltage for cylinder 1. Ignoring it could lead to poor fuel efficiency and long-term engine damage, but don't worry, today we'll break down what P0261 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0261? The P0261 trouble code means that the voltage in cylinder 1's fuel injector circuit is lower than expected. This can cause insufficient fuel delivery, engine misfires, and power loss. Common symptoms of P0261: check engine light, CEL, on, engine misfire or rough idle, poor fuel efficiency, loss of acceleration power, hard starting or no start condition. If this issue is left unchecked, it can cause severe damage to the fuel system and engine over time. Sensor location: where to check. To diagnose P0261, check these critical components. Fuel injector for cylinder 1, found near the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on the engine design. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Located on the fuel rail, it helps regulate the pressure for proper injection. Fuel injector wiring, harness, runs between the ECU and the injectors. Damage here can cause voltage issues. Camshaft position sensor, CMP. Typically found on the cylinder head, it helps synchronize fuel injection timing. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP, mounted near the engine block or transmission, it ensures correct timing for fuel injection. A failure in any of these components can cause P0261 and lead to erratic fuel injection. Common causes of P0261: faulty cylinder 1, fuel injector. A damaged or clogged injector may cause low voltage readings. Wiring issues or loose connections. Frayed or corroded wires can disrupt the voltage supply. Fuel rail. Pressure sensor malfunction. If the sensor fails, it can send incorrect signals to the ECU. Defective camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. If either sensor provides incorrect data, fuel injection timing will be off. ECU software or hardware failure. Sometimes the ECU may not process fuel injector signals correctly. How to fix P0261? Step 1. Check the cylinder. 1 fuel injector for blockages or leaks. Clean or replace if needed. Step 2. Inspect the fuel rail pressure sensor and test it using a multimeter. Step 3. Examine the fuel injector wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Step 4. Scan and test the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors for proper function. Step 5. Reset the code with an obd2 scanner and test drive the vehicle to ensure the problem is resolved. Final words: P0261 might seem like a small issue, but if left unchecked, it can reduce fuel efficiency and damage your engine. Fixing it early will ensure your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0205, Cylinder 5 Injector Circuit Malfunction. P0206, Cylinder 6 Injector Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.